Made him to go. Well, they got a trail all the way to the top there, and they got a trail all the way around the base. Man, brother wants both of them. Old girl told me, she said, yeah, you're not used to it. You won't be able to make it. We're afraid on you. Don't worry about me, dog.